Hey guys, today we're reviewing the Breville toaster oven. Obsessed with it, if you have to take my overall recommendation. Love all the features. So we've got toast, bagel, bake, air fry, broil, roast, pizza, cookies, proof, reheat, slow cook, keep warm, dehydrate. We've had this for about 2 years now, and the toast function and the bake are our absolute favorites, but we love the air fry and the keep warm function. This nozzle down here is going to be your temperature, your time. This one's going to give you a light to turn on a light, then start stop, and then if you're toasting and it finishes and you need just a little bit more, you can click a little bit more, it'll add more time. Cleaned. This has been in use, so you do get some grease buildup on the glass, but it's pretty easy to clean. It pulls out that rack if it's on this level. There's so many different levels, and what's really cool is if you're going to, let's change this to, this is the nozzle that you're going to use to change. Let's say I'm going to bake. It's going to tell you which rack position to use, and then based on that you will then adjust to the rack position. So these all pop out, and what's even cooler is they have a pizza pan that can go in it, and it has a curved back, so this fits in perfectly without you being able to have to modify or adjust the pan very hard. Now the thing about this pizza pan is when I looked for like a stone one, you can't find this size because it is slightly smaller. So you do have to either use this pan or put it on the shelf here, as opposed to using another product. Now one of the things that we found successful is we put parchment paper down. So here's a example. Parchment paper helps keep this cleaner. Obviously you see some of the wear and tear. It also comes with another cookie sheet. Obviously we have a secondary market liner to keep it cleaner. However, slides right in. The other thing I will say about this is I can fit a 9x13 glass pan in here, but I can't fit a 9x13 cookie sheet. So a lot of times I'll use this cookie sheet specifically. Love it. It is massive. So as you can see, it takes up almost our whole counter space. We have it angled, but we like the accessibility. Obviously you can see what it looks like with our crumbs and whatnot. We do have a rule in our house, we don't put bacon in it because we don't want the grease to splatter. But outside of that, we use it more than we use our regular oven. Highly, highly recommend the Breville toaster oven if you're considering it. We are obsessed, and I will show you the clean version in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, this is a lot cleaner. Let's clean it off. See, it's much cleaner. We try to clean this every 6 months-ish. You can do it more often, but we're lazy and don't do it as often. The other benefit of this toaster oven is it can get up to 450 degrees when we bake. We do a lot of like Trader Joe's hash browns, and so with that being said, it's out of the way of small children and that like to touch a lot of things in our kitchen. So because of that, highly recommend, because it's nice that we don't have to turn on the full oven. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys consider getting one. There's a smaller version that does a few less functions, but overall highly, highly worth the purchase and highly recommend.